Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to solve the practice problem identical linked list. So first, let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically, in this question, we would be given two linked lists. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And the second linked list is 99, 88, 77 and 66. Now you can clearly see that both the linked lists are not equal, right? So not identical. But if instead of this, I had this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So both these linked lists would be considered identical and my output would be identical. So basically you just need to check if the given two linked lists are identical or not. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you and the question is clear. Now let's move forward to the solution part. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Then you need to find the problem identical linked list. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question. Here is the question. Let's read it. Given two singly linked lists of n and n nodes respectively, the task is to check whether two linked lists are identical or not. Two linked lists are identical when they have the same data and with the same arrangement too. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding the question over here. Okay, so let's start. Let's code it out. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, now while head, okay, while the head is not equal to none, okay, that means there are some values, and head 2, we need to check if both the linked list have values or not, have nodes or not, right? Head, so over here it would be head 1 minute, over here it is head 1 and over here it would be head 2, right? Head 2 is not equal to none, then what? Then colon, if this is true, then if head dot data, head dot data is not equal to is not equal to head, I need to write 1 and 2 over here, 1 and over here head 2 dot data. If they are not equal, then what? Then I can just return with false, right? That means they are not identical. Okay, else backspace, if head 1 data equal to head 1 dot next, enter, head 2 equal to head 2 dot next, I need to keep on checking, right? Enter. Now I need to write if head 1, okay, head 1 is equal to null, okay, none basically, not null, and head 2 is equal to none. 1 minute, let me check, one mistake over here, it is equal. So basically if both of them is none, okay, if both of them is none, then what? Then what do I need to do? Enter. Then I need to return with true, okay, backspace, else I need to return with false. Okay, now I need to check if the solution is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the output, the compilation output, the test case. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem identical linked list. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you click on the like button if you have enjoyed the video, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.